extracts that we are using to charge the governor leaked to the public.
So after the IFMI's extract we are relying upon leaked is when he was sacked?
He was moved to another department.
Oh, he was moved to another department?
Yes.
Let's go to page 386 to 389 that you mentioned. What is that document, sir?
It's a memo, an internal memo from the Secretary, County Public Service Board to Her Excellency the Governor, Meru County.
And what does it address?
Submission of nomination list for candidates interviewed for the post of chief officers in the county.
What is the date of this document?
It's dated 11th November 2022.
Is Edwin Murangiri, who we have just seen being designated as acting chief officer, was he even shortlisted?
No.
For that position?
No.
As a matter of fact, did he even apply for it?
I would believe it didn't, because he didn't appear in the long list and also in the short list.
Would the reason he didn't apply be because he was not qualified in the first place?
I believe so.
But you just told us the document at page 92, you have told us the substantive chief officer was moved after the IFMI's report became public, right?
Yes.
Before this matter was escalated to impeachment, did the Assembly give the governor an opportunity to explain the payments to these people?
Yes, they were given an opportunity.
Did she submit those documents to the county assembly? Let's go to page 31 and 30.
They declined to submit the documents on the basis that there was an audit that was ongoing.
Let's go to the letter at page 30. What is that letter?
It's a letter from the clerk of the county assembly addressed to the CCM, Finance, Economic Planning and ICT, requesting for certified IFMI's extract statement for the executive arm of the county government of Meru for the financial year 2022-2023.
Is the county government legally and constitutionally obliged to submit such documents to enable the county assembly to exercise its oversight function?
Yes, they are obligated by the law.
They are obligated by the law?
Yes.
Did they comply with that law requiring them to submit these documents?
They declined to comply.
What reason did they give at page 31?
They give, maybe I can read.
Yes, you can read the second paragraph.
The CCM Finance states that the Public Finance Management Act under Section 164 makes provisions for the county treasury of the county government to prepare and submit to the Auditor General the annual financial statements in respect of county government in formats to be prescribed by the Accounting Standards Board. These statements shall include the services for which the appropriated money was spent, the amounts actually spent on each service, the status of each vote compared with the appropriation for the vote, a statement explaining any variations between the actual expenditure and the sums voted, and any other information specified by the county treasury. She continues to state under in the last paragraph, that as at the moment the county has prepared and submitted the financial statements to the Auditor General, and the Auditor General is in the process of auditing the financial statements which form part of our response to your request. As shown in the attached...
If we leave it there for the sake of time, were you asking for financial statements from the governor's office?
No, but the IFMIS extracts for the financial year.
So you asked for IFMIS because we had earlier on in the opening statement somebody setting our own question and answering it. Did the Assembly ask for financial statements so that this document would be a valid answer?
No.
Would you therefore consider this a valid reason for the failure to submit the documents?
It's a reason that cannot hold water.
It's a reason that cannot hold water. But Mr. Mawere, if the Assembly asked the Governor's office to submit documents and they refuse, can someone be held to blame the Assembly then for escalating the matter to impeachment?
Nobody should do that.
Let's go to count number 3 about the DG. Paragraph 14A of the impeachment motion, you accuse the governor of excluding the deputy governor from county executive committee meetings.
Yes.
Under our law and our constitution, is the deputy governor a substantive member of that executive committee?
Yes, because it is clearly stated under the law and the constitution.
As a matter of fact, would that committee be validly constituted in a situation where the DG is excluded deliberately?
It cannot.
But sir, have you produced any evidence to show that the DG was excluded from the meetings of the CEC?
Yes, in volume 2, pages 101 to 103, 226, 231, 233, 234, 235, and 236.
Pages?
101 to 103.
101.
To 103.
Let's go to the document at page 101. What type of document is that?
This is a record of the County Assembly of Meru, record of evidence taken before the Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs and Cohesion at the County Assembly of Meru Chambers.
Was this evidence given on oath?
Yes, it was.
As a matter of fact, on page 101, it indicates the oath was administered to the witness.
Yes, it indicates.
And who was the witness that was appearing before the county assembly?
The deputy governor.
The deputy governor.
Yes.
What are the complaints the deputy governor told the county assembly? At page 102.
The deputy governor complained of lack of facilitation.
Yes.
For his office.
Yes.
He also complained of failure to be invited to the Meru County Executive Committee cabinet meetings or any other official functions.
When does he say he was last invited? At the bottom of page 102.
The last invite was on 29th May 2023.
Let's go to 226. What is that document, sir?
It's a letter from the deputy governor to the county secretary inquiring if there was any cabinet meeting that has been held, because the last one you attended was on 29 May 2023 when he was invited through a WhatsApp page.
On top, is that document received by the relevant officer?
It was received by the office of the county secretary at the end of public service on 25th August 2023.
To the best of your knowledge, did the DG receive any response to this request?
None whatsoever.
Let's go to 231. What is that document, sir?
It's a letter from the Office of the Deputy Governor addressed to the Speaker of Meru County Assembly on failure to be invited for Meru County Executive Cabinet meetings and or any other official events.
233.
A letter from the Office of the Deputy Governor addressed to His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, requesting for reconciliation.
The one at 234.
A letter from the Office of the Deputy Governor addressed to the Clerk, the Clerk of the Senate of the Republic of Kenya on failure to be invited to the Meru County Executive Cabinet meetings and or any other official functions, events, lack of facilitation and withdrawal of staff to the Office of the Deputy Governor since April 2023.
The one at 235 and 236, what are they?
Letters from the Office of the Deputy Governor addressed to the Chairperson, Council of Governors, request for reconciliation. And the one on pages 236 is still a letter from the Deputy Governor addressed to the County Secretary, following up on cabinet meetings.
You confirm from these documents, sir, the problem in Meru has been referred to the Assembly, right?
Yes, I can confirm.
It has been referred to the Council of Governors, right?
Yes.
It has been referred to the Deputy President of the Republic, right?
Yes, I confirm.
It has been referred even to the Senate, right?
Yes.
To the best of your knowledge, has a solution been found even after roping in the good offices of all these agencies of the state?
There's not been any solution found to the problem.
There is no solution to the problem.
Yes.
Let's go to paragraph 14B and D about bullying, undermining and insulting